define database and explain its advantages and disadvantages. Database. A database is an organized collection of data, generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. Database is usually large enough that it has to be stored on secondary storage devices such as disks or tapes. This data can be maintained either as a collection of operating system files or stored in a DBMS. Database management has many advantages. Some of the advantages are program data independence, reduced data redundancy, data consistency, data sharing, enforcement of standards, improved quality, privacy. Program data independence. The program data independence can be defined as a separation of metadata from application program using the data. The data approach strongly provides access to data description by storing it at a central location called repository. Reduced data redundancy. Reduced data redundancy can be defined as duplication of data. Reduced data redundancy specifies the avoiding of duplicate data and reducing the total amount of storage space required. In an ideal database design, all previously separated data files are integrated into a single logical structure. This implies that data gets stored only at one location within the database. Improved data consistency. Data consistency can be defined as validity, accuracy, usability, and integrity of data between application and other IT enterprises, thereby providing consistent data to the user. Sharing of data. In a database, the users of the database can share the data among themselves. There are various levels of authorization to access the data, and consequently the data can only be shared based on the correct authorization protocols being followed. Many remote users can also access the database simultaneously and share the data among themselves. Enforcement of standards. At the time of implementation of database, the role of database administration should be to establish and enforce all database standards. The development of these standards is done through data repository that provides a powerful set of tools to the DBA. Improved quality. The quality of data is most important in database approach. The poor quality of data majorly affects the strategic planning and database administration. The tools and processes provided by databases so as to improve the quality of data. Privacy. The privacy rule in database means only the authorized can use and access the database according to its privacy constraints. Disadvantages of database. High conversion cost, high management and installation cost, need of new specialized personnel, need of explicit backup and recovery, security breaches. These are all the advantages and disadvantages of database. Thank you.